Alright boys, we're down at the shop today, getting prepped and ready for King of the Hammers. I got Crusty Crawler, 87, extended cab, solid front axle, Crusty Crawler. So I got a couple things I need to do. I got not a lot of time to do it. This thing has always been reliable. I've never really maintained it, and I don't really plan to. I tend to fix it on the trail if and when it needs fixing. It really has been such a great rig. So I'm just gonna go through the fluids. I gotta do some suspension stuff real quick, top off the tires. And that's it, you know? So let's get this thing prepped and ready for King of the Hammers. And if you're watching this, come on out to King of the Hammers. Let's hit some trails, watch some race trucks, have some pizza, drink some beer. Alright guys, what you're looking at here is my 1987 Toyota pickup. I know it hasn't been on the channel for a while since I got the 4Runner, so I figure I would just give you a brief overview, some of the specs, and bring you up to speed on what we got here. So like I said, it's an 87 pickup. This one is actually a 22R carbureted 4-cylinder, which I have since installed a Holley Sniper EFI unit, which works pretty well. It's got dual transfer cases with stock 2.28 gears in both front and rear, 37-inch tires, 529 gears in the axles with a spool in the rear and a Detroit locker up front, and that about covers it. I've rolled it a few times. I've since taken the bed off. This thing was actually pretty cherry when I bought it, and I am the one to blame for every single dent. So it's my Hammers rig, it's my hardcore wheeler. I love this truck. I'm gonna keep it around, and I've got some plans for it, but for now we're just getting it prepped and ready for the inevitable beating that it will take at King of the Hammers. What I'm actually doing is moving this upper shackle hanger. When I bought the truck, it was way far back, all the way at the edge here, and the shackles were just like straight up and down, and they would actually bend the wrong direction and get hung up if I was really articulated. So we ended up moving them forward a little too far, and I would actually flatten the shackles out like this, and the spring would actually hit this piece of steel right here. So I've just split the difference, and we should be good to go. Johnson Valley and King of the Hammers is unlike anything else I've ever been to, and probably the gnarliest four-wheeling that America itself has to offer. And The event is like none other. We go down for 7 days of hardcore wheeling, and it's gruesome. It can take a toll on even the best built rigs, and we always bring extra supplies and jacks and welders and parts, and there's never been a trip that we haven't done some sort of major repair, whether it be welding a differential or an axle shaft or drive shafts every time. So going prepared is paramount, and just making sure that you're checking items off the list before you go to prevent the silly failures is basically what I'm trying to do here.
Boys, this here is my race muffler. It's a Borla Pro XS 2.5 inch. I found this bad boy on a trail at the Hammers in perfect shape, aside from a few dents. And I said, you know what, I gotta have that. It's gotta go on my race truck. So I took it off the trail, welded her on. Didn't do a very good job the first time, but this time it's gonna be great.
boys, that's gonna do it for this video. Believe it or not, right as I pulled the truck on the trailer, the power steering pump shit the bed. So I got a pump on order. I'm gonna bring it down to Hammertown and replace it in the parking lot, and it is what it is. Like I said, I always fix this truck on the trail if I ever fix it at all. So I got a water pump and a power steering pump I'm bringing down with me. I got everything done that I wanted to, and that truck is ready to tackle anything that Johnson Valley can throw at it. So I'll see you boys down there. If you haven't already, get entered in the giveaway. I'll link the video up here and down in the description below. Like and comment on that video and subscribe to my channel is all you need to do to get entered to win recovery gear or lights or swag pack. And as long as the giveaway is live, I'm doing 20% off my entire website, mechanicaladventures.com. I got a cool pre-order going right now, so get yourself a t-shirt. I have some awesome new designs and stickers and koozies, and 20% off automatically applied at checkout, mechanicaladventures.com. All right, boys. That's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm having a whole bunch of fun with the new camera, and there's more to come. We're just getting started. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a comment down below, like this video. Help me grow this channel so that I can keep bringing you awesome content like this. And I've still got plenty more in the tank for the 4Runner, for this thing, maybe for the van. And I got a little bit of a surprise up my sleeve for Hammertown, so keep following along. All right, boys, we'll see you on the next one.